Hello, my name is Maria Kadiri, a virtual assistant and a workflow automation expert. Today, I'm going to be explaining to you what automation really is. There has been a lot of hypes about automation online, automation, artificial intelligence, AI agents, and all the rest. So today I'm going to take my time to explain what automation is, why your business needs automation, and how you can get started today. So if you're ready, let's get started. So let's get started. Once again, my name is Maria Kadiri. I'm a virtual assistant and a workflow automation expert, and today I'm here to simply explain to you what automation is. Like I said in the intro, I'm really going to keep it very short, and in less than 10 minutes, we are done. Automation. Boost your business with automation, work smarter, save time, and grow faster. Prepared by Maria Kadiri. So, you're welcome to this automation presentation. Like I said, I'm really going to keep it very short and simple. My business here is just to explain to you what automation is. I mean, break it down to literally a very simple step that you can start taking from today. Break down every complexity about automation, what it truly is, why you need to automate your business, and how you can get started. All right, so let's go to the next slide. All right, so what exactly is automation? Like I said in the intro video, there's been a lot of hypes about automation. So let's see what exactly is automation. Automation means using technology to handle tasks automatically. So from this simple definition, I believe you understand. Using technology to handle tasks automatically. So what you would normally do manually, with the application of technology, you to make it faster, is the whole concept of automation. I repeat myself once again, the whole concept of automation is simply using technology for your daily manual task. What do I mean by manual task? Like, as a business owner, usually you would want to write emails, send emails, capture leads, do follow-ups, and all that. So all these are things you do every day to keep the business running, especially if you are a one-man business or even as a company. This is what you have to do. You have to do lead generation, lead follow-ups, customer service. You listen to customers complaints, take customers orders, send mails. So all these things are daily manual tasks that you have to do to keep your business going, and all these are the things that takes your time as a business owner. And so what automation simply means is using technology to do all these things. So instead of you sitting in front of your computer composing mails, clicking the send button, doing follow-ups, going ahead to do Facebook ads to get leads, writing leads follow-up, writing mails for leads follow-ups and all that, taking customers order, a whole lot of things that you have to do as a business. So all this can be automated. So the use of technology to do all these things is simply what we call automation. And automation reduces human effort and it improves efficiency. So instead of you wasting time to, do all these things like writing of mails, automation helps you to save that energy. So instead of you writing the mails yourself, you can use AI tools like the popular one we all know. ChatGPT is an AI tool, is also an automation tool, can also be used as an automation tool to help you write emails, to help you generate leads, and all that. So we'll get into all that along the line when I begin to discuss all these things. All right. So um the key essence of automation is that it reduces human effort and it improves efficiency. It improves efficiency in the sense that since it's going to be handled by a system and not a human mind, it improves efficiency. You know, there's no tiredness. Machines don't get tired, systems don't get tired. But as a human being, when you repeat a task like every other day, you seem to get bored and you seem to get tired, and efficiency is reduced. But when you give it over to AI tools to handle it for you, there's likelihood of less error and improved efficiency, and then your effort is being geared towards something else. The effort you put towards writing mails and other things can actually be moved to something else, can be concentrated on something else, which is um, coming up with strategies to grow your business and some other things. All right, so I've discussed this earlier. What are the examples of automation? The automation tools that we use are chatbots. Building chatbots is an automation process. Chatbot simply automates your customer service. So instead of you talking to your customers 247, you build a chatbot, automate it so that it can talk with your client while you do other things. So examples of automation also includes scheduling of emails and then automating invoice. All right, so shedding of emails, like I've explained earlier, instead of you writing the emails, you can get AI tools to write the emails for you. You can get AI tools to schedule the email. So at a particular time of the day or at a particular time of the month, emails are being sent to your client or your prospect to either remind them of an order or to do a follow-up of what they have shown interest in. So invoicing can as well be automated. So instead of you busy writing invoices after an order, you can automate your process in such a way that once an order is being initiated by a client, automation helps you to write the invoice, sends it to the client, and also as well compose a thank you email for the order that was bought. So all these are examples of automation. All right, so let's go further. So why your business needs automation? Why your business needs automation? So there are key reasons why you really have to consider automating your business in 2025. AI is everywhere. Every company that wants to make progress is automating their business. They are running their business on automation. So I'm going to break down why your business needs automation. Your business needs automation because automation helps you save time. So there's no more manual work or repetitive work, no more writing of mails yourself, cracking your head to write mails, sending it and all that. So automation can handle that for you. So while automation handles that for you, you can face your business, and in turn it helps you save time. Time is money, like they say. So the more the time you save, the more money you are likely to get as well, because you will now have time to scale your business and then you grow your profit. So the second reason why your business needs automation is to cut costs. All right, so instead of you hiring staff, hiring multiple staffs, like um, a staff to write mails for you, to do copywriting for you, to do follow-ups for you, instead of you hiring multiple staffs to do all that, you can just hire probably one staff, a remote staff, maybe a VA that has the knowledge of AI that can help you, use AI tools so that you can focus on other things. So instead of hiring like 5 staff, you can hire just one staff that has a good knowledge of AI use, and then that can help you automate the tasks that 5 people would have done. All right, so automation helps you to cut cost. Now the third reason why your business needs automation is that it reduces error. Like I said, human beings can get tired of doing things over and over again. Imagine you sitting before your laptop and working from morning till 5. There's tendency that you get tired, but this is what an AI tool can do, like over and over again 247 without getting tired. Machines or robots or systems can run themselves over and over and over again without getting tired. So it reduces error. Since machines don't get tired, there's lesser likelihood of making error than a human being. All right, so the fourth and the last reason why your business needs automation is to improve customer service. All right, to improve customer experience. So while you are busy doing other things, you can have chatbots talk to your customers for you. So it reduces the time that your customers has to wait for only you. So you can imagine only you or only your staff having to, or only your customer service staff having to answer like 10 to 100 clients that you have. It will take time before it will get to each person's turn. So but if a chatbot has to do that, a chatbot can answer like multiple customers at a time, but you as a human being can only answer one client at a time. All right, you can only be on chat with one client at a time. But when you with the use of chatbots, even 100 people can use the same chatbot on your website or on your welcome page at the same time. So you can see the difference between you being your customer service yourself or hiring a customer service person as opposed to using chatbots. All right, so with chatbots, it improves customer experience. A customer can ask any question at any time, not minding the time zone. So even while you are sleeping, a chatbot, even while you or your staff is sleeping, a chatbot is busy answering your customers for you. So I'm going to recap this slide again, this particular slide. Why your business needs automation. One is to save time. Two is to cut cost. Three is to reduce errors, human errors. And then four is to improve customer service or customer experience. All right, so we move to the next slide. um Yes, so what you can automate, I think I've discussed part of this earlier. The things you can automate in your business includes marketing. You can automate your marketing strategies, your content creation, your social media post, your email campaigns. All this can be automated using AI tools. So instead of you doing content creation yourself to keep your tribes busy, to keep your audience busy, you can have all this content creation or social media posts being handled by AI tools. So we have AI automation tools that can help you create content, post it, and then keep your audience busy while you are doing other things, while you focus on your family or other things. We also have AI tools that can help you manage email campaigns, send emails, and all that. So um, marketing is one key thing you can automate in your business. And then we also have sales. You can also automate sales, from the old journey of acquiring clients, acquiring leads, to leading them to buy your goods or services can actually be automated. You don't have to do it all by yourself. You can have AI tools generate leads for you, do follow-ups with emails, and then even get them to buy your goods or services. So sales is one part of your business that you can automate. You can also automate customer support. I've explained this earlier. Automate customer support with chatbots. And then so it's only the very serious things that will be passed on to you, because you can actually train a chatbot to pass on a client to you when they have asked questions that needs a higher um a human person to answer. All right, so you can automate your customer service. And the last one, you can also automate operations like invoice, project management. Invoicing, like I said, you don't have to do invoicing yourself. We have AI tools that can actually write invoices and send invoices to your clients. You also have AI tools that can manage projects. So project tools like Asana, Trello, ClickUp, are all project management tools, and they are AI project management tools. So instead of you manually managing projects yourself, you have these tools that can help you manage projects. And so we also have inventory updates. There are AI tools that can help you update your inventory in case you run an e-commerce store. So there are tools that can help you update your inventory. All right, so these are the key reasons why, these are the key things you can automate in your business. Automate your marketing, your sales, your customer support, and operations. All right, so please like this page to encourage more of this content. All right, so we move to the next slide, which is how to start automation. All right, so there are some steps you have to take when you want to automate your business so that you don't end up altering the process of your business. And the first one is so the first major step you need to take when you want to start automating your business is to identify repetitive tasks. All right, so you need to sit down, or you need to hire an automation expert like me to help you identify what can be automated in your business, because from what I've said earlier, it's not every part of your business that can really be automated. There's some part of your business that still need human input. All right, so you need an expert, or if you can do it yourself, you need to identify first the repetitive tasks that can be automated. All right, so that's the very first step. Like I said, emails can be automated, customer follow-ups can be automated, invoices can be automated, sales, marketing can be automated. But there are some key decisions, especially as you manage your project, that still needs your human input. So those ones cannot be automated. All right, so the first step is to identify the areas of your business that can be automated, and then the second step is choosing the right tools. Now, for every process you want to automate, there's a right tool for it. So you also have to consider what tool will fit this process that I want to automate, because there are a lot of tools out there. There are a lot of automation and AI tools out there, but you really need to know which one works for your organization, which one works for your field, and which one gives the most satisfactory experience to your clients. Because you wouldn't want to, in the bid of automating your business, you wouldn't want to lose customers. So you need to identify the AI tools that matches your business, that will give your customers a better experience and not even chase them away from your website or from your page. All right, so after identifying what part of a business to automate, choosing the right tools, then the last thing is to test the tools. So you need to test the tools before you finally deploy it for your clients. You need to test your interface, test the running of your automation before you deploy it out there. So with this brief presentation, because I really want to make this video short, I believe that you understand what automation is, the things you can automate, why your business needs automation, and how you can get started. And so if you need help, like I said, my name is Maria Kadri. I'm a virtual assistant and a workflow automation expert. I help businesses optimize their workflow by using AI, by deploying AI automation tools. So just in case you need my help, you can reach out to me on mariakadri18@gmail.com, or you simply reach out to me on LinkedIn, message me on LinkedIn. So thank you so much for watching, and on this page, this is just the beginning. Great content definitely coming on the way. A deeper dive into automation tools, how to use some automation tools to help your business grow and to help you stay productive. So I believe you don't want to miss that. Kindly follow this page, comment on this presentation, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.